What's up, guys? I want to share my story about a truck I got. I recently got W900 Kenworth, which in my opinion one of the best trucks on the road. So here we go inside. It was just so dirty. I had to take everything apart here, all the interior elements, all the shades. Look, it's all from cigarette smoke. Just imagine how it smells. But the interior mostly intact, all the lights and everything. This light is missing a plastic piece, but I got it right here, so we're gonna get it fixed, and I hope it's gonna turn out real great and clean, like no major issues here. So what I'm doing, I'm removing all the curtains, and I'm just amazed with the quality of the material. It's 20 years old, but look at this. Look, it's not leather. I believe it's not leather, but it's super high quality stuff, like everything is like, I don't know, they don't make it anymore like that. I've been a Peterbilt guy. That's my first classic Kenworth, and I'm amazed. I like it. That's the reason why they cost so much money. Look at the padding, look. And it's quiet. 1999, no crap, no bullshit. So that's what I'm working on now, and I'll update you with results. So I took some curtains off the sleeper, and I wanted to wash them. First of all, those are from cabinets. Look at those. They smell horrible. There's some quality stuff, old school quality stuff. But look at this. All this dirt. It's like, you smell it. It's like 20 years old casino where everybody been smoking. And I'm not a smoker, so I can handle that stuff. Here you go, look at all that. I mean, the interior is all intact, but it just, all this stuff is so dirty. And I took it all off. It's got like clips like this, So yeah, we're removing all these plastic clips. We got all the clips off, and now we're ready just to go and wash it. So we're gonna do gentle cycle, warm water, and no bleach, just regular detergent. And I'm gonna be washing it during the process, opening the washing machine a couple times and see how it looks like. So now we're gonna put everything into the washing machine. All the dirty stuff goes in there, and I'm gonna use this Persil Pro Clean with a door fighter, and I hope it's gonna work. Let's see. I just gently pour it over there. I think that should be enough. Close our machine, turn it on, and I'm gonna do express wash, warm water, light soil level, and I don't think I want high spin. Let's start. Couple seconds left, it's on a final spin, and we're gonna see what the results is gonna be. Now let's see. Okay, it doesn't look bad. Still some signs of dirt. Oh, those are nice and clean. Look at that. That's completely different from what we've seen. And it smells good. So now we got our W900 curtains all dried, and I wanna show you the result after washing it in the washing machine. Here you go. This is the window curtain. It's white and clean. No damage whatsoever. So that's your sleeper cab upper window curtain. This is your small cabinet curtains. This one still had some residue of dirt, but it's still decently clean. And those are terribly dirty before and pretty much clean now. Side window curtains from W900. So I think my washing machine did a pretty good job cleaning them. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, they had terrible cigarette smell. Now they still smell like cigarette, but it's like just a residue. It's not as bad. It's not at all as bad as it was. And that's how you can clean your Kenworth W900 or any other semi-truck, I assume, window curtains. Just be careful. Washing machine does a good job for me. See you next time.